Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a unboxing of my Sipsby tea for the month of July. So, foremost, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment below if you have a comment, and let's get going. I did open it. So this is all, okay, put that to the side. And let's get going. This is for August. It comes with the cloth, disposable cloths in here. And then we have our tea. So let's start with the lemon Rooibos. The lemon Rooibos. Oh, this one. So these are lemon flavored Rooibos tea. Can't find a scent to it. Okay, so let's read a little bit about these. This one is caffeine free. It's zesty. Tea is a refreshable and cleansing, caffeine free and antioxidant rich drink to be enjoyed hot or cold and at any time of the day. So we have that one, and then we have the organic Jasmine green tea. And this one is low caffeine. So this one is Chinese green tea is infused with aroma of night blooming jasmine flowers. Enjoy this aromatic, uplifting flora delight at any time of the day. Never heard about it, so we have those. And then we have the almond. I like this brand, the roasted herbal tea. We have the Almond Amaretto. This is a medium roast, caffeine free. This Italian inspired combination of fruit, herb, and nut flavors tantalize and seduce your palate. This caffeine free blend is rich in antibiotics and probiotics. So these come with 4, and then you can add milk, non-dairy milk, and sweetener. So we have 4 of those. And then our last one, we have some bare leaves, some Fujian Oolong. Don't know how to pronounce those. So this was grown, it's a medium oxygen level of toasty flavor. So yeah, those are my teas for the month of August. So that's exciting. Can't wait to try them out. And thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.